Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming which SSD fits your machine 2, 5 SATA or M, 2 NVMe because connectors and slots differ. Once done, ground yourself with an anti-static strap and gather a small Phillips screwdriver plus the M, 2 standoff and screw if required. Make sure the PC is fully powered off, unplugged, and the battery removed on laptops where possible. This prevents short circuits. Open the case or access panel. Keep screws organized so you can reverse the process cleanly. Now install the drive itself. If you have a 2, 5 SATA SSD mounted in the bay or adapter, then connect the SATA data cable to the motherboard and the power cable to the PSU. Make sure connectors click. For M, 2 NVMe, orient the drive keyed edge, insert it into the slot at about a 30-degree angle, then press down and secure with the standoff screw. This ensures contact with the socket and avoids damage. Once connected, tidy cables to maintain airflow and prevent strain. Power on and enter the BIOS or UEFI to confirm the system detects the new SSD. Once detected, adjust boot order if you plan to install an OS on it. Boot into your operating system and open disk management or a similar utility to initialize, partition, and format the drive so it becomes usable. If the drive is not visible, stop and reseat the SATA or power cable, try a different port, or ensure M2 mode is enabled in BIOS. These fixes resolve most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.